Hello everyone. Look at these guys. Oh yeah. I realize I'm here and just kind of go a little lower. Look how nice it is. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Anyone remember that? Where's that from? Oh, it's so nice. Well, I work today. Well, most people are off. It was a busy day. There's some leaves, but it really isn't all that bad. So, yeah, I just wanted to come on and do my daily video. Been really trying to come on here and just talk about whatever. Look at them there. Doesn't it look great? Not as many leaves. It hasn't been as windy. I haven't cut down all these guys here. I really need to cut down like all the cattails. Probably should cut the, these are water irises. Not sure when or if I'm going to turn off the waterfall. I don't think I'm going to do it anytime soon. We'll see. Hopefully it doesn't snow anytime. Because though it did snow the other day. Got my winter tires on my car. We're gonna go see one of our pals, one of my high school buddies. He's got a little boy I haven't met, so that'll be nice. Let's give these guys a little bit of food. There we go. Oh, look how great they're up. Slow and steady. Yeah. So nice. I think it's gonna look great over here, actually. There they are. All those beautiful fish. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Got a little splash action there. Some people are out raking leaves. Still a lot of leaves here on my neighbor's lawn. I got a bunch. I'm actually probably going to use some of the leaves for some of my plants. I still got to go in and dig up my... well, I got horseradish over there. I got the garlic over there. Dig it up, and then I've dug up half of it. Look at this. It's still blooming. Still blooming. It's crazy. And that is called a honeysuckle. It's such a great plant. Nice vine. Yeah, so I have some garlic from before. That I'll just plant back. Look at those big fish. Be interesting to see. Like they won't grow too much while they're hibernating, more or less. But they should. Oh, look at them go. Look at. This is toothless. Toothless is like one of our biggest ones, if you include the fin. Got huge fins. Such a beautiful fish. But yeah, anyways, like, I need to catch some of these goldfish. So I haven't really gone in. There's still a bunch. I'm really hoping tomorrow I could go in early when they're a little slower, the water's a little colder, they haven't like warmed up, and just try and catch some of them. I need to do it soon. And I need to go in and like try to clean up some of the leaves as well. But so we'll see if this guy survives. So last winter, he was like, I thought he was dead. Brought him inside. He kind of perked up inside and then came out, but like he's not the same. Like I think there's a little bit of brain damage or something, because like I'll go up and he'll just swim up right to me, whereas all the other ones are not doing that, like at all. They just want nothing to do with me. So I don't know, there's something. But whatever. It's all good. So remember, guys, subscribe. Check out my reels. Like everything, and yeah. Just help out with the cause. We are up. The last I saw, 1,467 subscribers. Pretty amazing. People are loving the spiders. I don't get it. Like I get it, but like I don't know if it's if it's because of phobia. I don't know. I really don't know. Phobias, or is it because they like spiders? Like I think it's a bit of both. No, I don't get it. There's our guy here. Our eagle decoy. Anywho, you guys have a great day. Hopefully the weather's beautiful where you guys are, and just enjoy it, you know? Yeah. All right. Have a great day.